In today's video, I will show you how to get free credits in Readdy AI, and then we will also see how you can get a discount on the pricing plans. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. You can use the first link in the description to open Readdy and then log in or create a new account if you don't have one. Creating a new account will get you 250 free credits, but I will tell you how to get even more credits. Once you log in, you will see an interface like this. To get free credits, you can see an option here called Free Credits. Click on it, and then click on Invite Friends. Here you will see the Invite Friends campaign, where you will receive an invite link. You can copy this link and share it with your friends. Once your friend signs up using your link and purchases any plan, both you and your friend will receive 2,500 credits. You can click on My Invites to see how many friends you have invited and how many credits you have earned. So, this is how you can get free credits inside Readdy. Now, to get a discount, click on your profile and go to Subscription. You can see that Readdy usually has these monthly and annual charges, but recently they have added 2-year and 3-year plans where you get 50% and 60% off respectively. For example, you can select the 3-year plan, select any plan of your choice, you can see the discount is applied. Click on Confirm Upgrade, go to Checkout, you can see on the final pricing page a yearly plan discount has been applied. You can now go ahead and complete the payment. So, this was how you can get free credits as well as get a discount in Readdy AI. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using AI tools like Readdy or other AI tools, you can check out these videos. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.